Long ago, before Kiribati was as we know it today, two voyagers came sailing from the west. Their names were Kaitu and Wakaya. Some say they were brothers, others say close companions. But all traditions agree, they were the great ancestors who first shaped the islands. Kaitu was the warrior and navigator, bold, fearless, leading his men into new lands. Wakaya was the soothsayer, the diviner, casting lots, guiding their path with wisdom. Together, they were strength and knowledge, power and foresight. Their canoe first touched Tabituia in the southern Gilberts. From there, they began a great journey of conquest and settlement. They moved northward, to Onotoa, to Nonauti, then further still to Abemama and Tarawa. At each island, they fought those who stood against them. Kaitu led the warriors in battle, while Wakaya read the signs, deciding when to fight and when to hold back. When victory was won, they did more than claim the land. They divided it carefully among their followers. These divisions became the roots of the Boti system, the clans, the seating orders, the foundation of Kiribati society. Generations passed, families traced their ancestry back to Kaitu and Wakaya. Their names became more than history, they became identity, the link between land, people and tradition. Today, when the Kiribati speak of who they are, they remember Kaitu and Wakaya, voyagers, conquerors and founders of a nation across the sea.